walking around the park. In the bleak mid-winter, frosty, foxy, moan. I didn't moan actually, I quite like the winter. Though I do this summer, I gotta get up in a puddle. Whee! I shouldn't really do that. All this is gonna freeze out tonight. And get an ice rink. How exciting. It's starting to melt. But it's so brilliant. That's so nicely. Up a tree. There's no squirrels around. Because they hide in their trees. Up in their trees. The kangaroo's getting wet. There's a blizzard coming down. It's a pretty day. Wow, it's a very snowy day. Wow, look at all the snow. It's everywhere. Very hard to make out everything because of so much snow. Look where the lens is blurred. Right on me. Nice data. Whoosh! Let's kick up the clocks like this. Whoosh! 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 Ah! Well, now what do we do? Don't know what there. Might go to the recreation ground later. I'll try that though. Depends how it is, and I go tomorrow and it's might be sunny. Okay, this is when I swap cameras and do my personal camera. Oh, pretty. I'm standing on ice and I'm sinking. It's kind of cute. Let's go around here quickly. Oh, lovely. It looks like it's ripped over. I wouldn't think of it. Tree track. Tree trick. So I'll come back to that tree in a minute. I try to go all around here. Oh, nice snow. Kiddie playground there. Well, deep snow that is. Wow, in the winter wonderland, wilderness, snowing. Am I in Russia? I could be in Russia. No. over there's the 8259 up the Heath Road. Of course, can't have the camera out too long because they'll get... Where's the other one? Ah! Blizzard! Ah! Oh my goodness! Gotta head back home soon. Ah! Oh! Blizzard! Blizzard condition! Ah! Let's go home. Not that I get scared like that. Okay, see you there, folks. I've got to head home because it's getting very, very wintry. Absolutely, absolutely. Positively, positively. Severely wintry. Ah! We're all gonna die unless I go home. Okay, let's go. Let's go again. Come again. See you later. Let's go.